to start off by filling in your lower eyebrow line. You don't have to take your time or be perfect with the filling in process. It all doesn't really matter if you're neat or not. At the end result, you get to clean it up with the concealer. Now you want to use your blending end with the duo brush and blend out your eyebrow. Don't worry about how neat or not so neat it looks. Now I'm using my angled eyebrow brush and my L'Oreal Cocoa concealer to clean up the mess. You most definitely want to be careful when cleaning up your eyebrows, because if you make one mistake, you automatically have to start over. Or you could try to fix it instead of, starting all the way over. You don't have to put concealer at the front of your eyebrow after you're finished. I choose to sometimes I don't. Now I'm dipping my beauty blender into setting powder. I'm going to leave that on for about 3 minutes. I like to use a crease eyeshadow brush to remove the dust off my eyebrows versus a big old brush, because it really doesn't make sense to use a big brush. So I use my crease brush instead. Now I'm just going back in with my blending brush to put the hairs back in place after removing the dust. Here's my finished product. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment,